In business, being forgettable is expensive. In this episode of the podcast, we're going to talk about a simple thing that you can do, it takes about 30 seconds or less, that can help to make you more memorable. This is the Daily Sales Message Podcast, episode 758, where every single day I teach you a piece of simple and actionable advice. It's designed to help you feel more confident and sell more stuff too. Now, most businesses don't realize that being memorable is something you can engineer. There's actually over 100 different ways you can do it, and I'll pop a link below to those, but it's a thing you can actually focus on and structure and manufacture, not something that you just kind of rely on. And in today's episode, we're talking about something which I use all of the time. It's really simple. The specific answer for you, you have to work out what it is, but the principle and structure we use is sound, and it's called equivalence. So we take something that's understood and something that's not quite yet understood, and we just cross-reference those things. A problem lots of businesses have, particularly new ones, where it's a new product, service, piece of technology is unfamiliar, people don't get it, they don't understand it, and that does not help them to remember it. Whereas when you say, it's like the Uber of this, or we're a bit like a tea kettle, but we do this as well, or whatever, and obviously they're ridiculous examples, but you get the point. If you can compare what you're doing to something similar, now name-checking brands is a dangerous thing to do for lots of reasons, but if you can compare a behavior or experience they've had before to what you, so it's a bit like ironing a shirt, but like this, something they've done before, compare it across, that will help them to not only understand what you're doing, but it also helps to be more memorable, because chances are the example you've got is a little bit different and it will connect with them. So it's a simple trick you can use to be more memorable. That's it for this episode of the podcast. Tomorrow in episode 759, we're looking at a subtle way, and it is quite subtle, to encourage buyers to spend more. So catch me tomorrow in that episode. In the meantime, if you haven't already, please hit the like, subscribe, share button, comment below. Wherever you're listening to or watching the video, it just helps us to reach more people. That's it for this one. I'll catch you tomorrow.